Bangalore Institute of Technology is a premier private institution established in the year 1979 to provide a quality education in the field of technology. BIT is a part of prestigious Rajya Vakkaligar Sangha, which manages 14 other renowned educational institutions. The institute is affiliated with Vishveshwaraya Technological University, VTU, Belgaum, and holds accreditation from the National Board of Accreditation, NBA. The Department of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence was established in 2022 with an initial intake of 60 students. The department is driven by its motto to train and develop robotics and artificial engineering professionals who contribute to the betterment of society.
Hello, I'm Dr. N. Satish, Professor and Head of Department of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence in Bangalore Institute of Technology. So this is a new course here, an interdisciplinary course under Mechanical Engineering Board, VT. It was started in the year 2022-23. So the course is approved by AICTE and affiliated with VT with an intake of 60 students.
The Department of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence is equipped with advanced facilities, fostering industry-sponsored laboratories and a dedicated center of excellence. Additionally, the department hosts a professional bodies forum to promote industry-academia collaboration and professional growth among students and faculty. Committed to bridging the gap between technology and the societal needs, the Robotics and Artificial Department at BIT emphasizes practical learning, research, and skill development, preparing students to excel in the ever evolving fields of robotics and artificial intelligence. The RoboCell, a dynamic and innovative student driven club that aims to inspire and foster the spirit of robotics, automation, and artificial intelligence among students. Established in 2023, the RoboCell provides a platform for students to explore, design, and build advanced robotic systems while enhancing their technical skills. By nurturing technical talent and encouraging teamwork, RoboCell is a vital part of college's vibrant and forward thinking community.